What if you could get paid to sleep? The New York Times says more people are now turning to a better job, sleeping. It is a growing industry of sleep workouts and how to get paid to sleep. Are you looking for a way to make extra cash? Who wouldn't want $1,500 per month just to sleep? That's right. You can with the help of this video. In this video, I'll show you how much money you could potentially make by sleeping and how to get started. So, keep watching to the end, check the description box to earn $1,000 or even more each and every day. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. If you're one of the many who have been struggling to find a way to make money online, then you may be interested in this new business idea. Get Paid to Sleep is an online service that pays you for every hour that you sleep. If you're looking for a new way to make some extra money, then this might be the perfect opportunity for you. In the past few years, the sleep for pay industry has grown by leaps and bounds. There are now companies that are willing to pay people for their time spent sleeping. The idea is that this will help people earn extra cash while they sleep and get some rest at the same time. Surprised? Okay, so here are one of the best companies that pay for sleeping. It is called eachnight.com. Each Night is a company that aims to provide the information you need to get better sleep each night. They provide a full-circle approach to sleep and wellness that incorporates mental, physical, and environmental well-being. Each Night is hiring a team of nap reviewers to attest a few theories behind the pros and cons of napping. You can work from anywhere in the world, but you must have strong English skills for reviewing your naps and following instructions. There is nothing more to do but to get some shut-eye and fill out the nap survey when you wake up. To find out if and when this kind of vacancy opens on the website, you should follow the site often. Over the course of 30 days, you will be required to take part in a variety of experiments testing out theories such as the best nap duration for feeling refreshed, the effects of napping on overall levels of fatigue, and the effects of napping on memory, motivation, and productivity. Applicants must also be at least 18 years old. Each Night is offering $1,500 for taking a nap every day for 30 days. In the end, don't forget to check the description box to earn $1,000 or more every day instantly. Give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.